Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Now hit Duppy. Full story. One night, while living in Milk River, Clarendon back in 2008, a young woman was walking on the road to her in-laws' house to wait for her boyfriend. There was no street light, only moonshine, and there was a big guangdu tree that shades the road, so when rain fall there tend to be lots of water at that spot. So it created a big pothole in the road. Upon reaching that tree, people have to walk on the side bank of the road, but when she passed that spot, she noticed somebody was coming. The young lady felt so happy for the little company, she decided to slow down so they can catch her up. She would glance every now and then behind her to see if the person is close. As she glanced back, she noticed that when the person reached the pothole, it looked like they floated over the water. She was in shock, but she started to observe more deeply. She felt fear squeeze her throat. She started to pick up pace, but the Duppy started to move faster as well. As the person drew closer, she noticed that there was no head on the body, and the hands were stiff at their side. She saw a car coming in front of her, and she said to herself that when the car passes, she will look back to see what exactly was following her. The car finally passed, and when she looked back, there was no one there. The person disappeared, and the young woman's head became heavy. She picked up her foot in her hands and ran off. Breathless, she reached her in-laws' house and told them what she had seen. They told her that there was a grave under that tree.
Like and follow for more.
Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube.